Moving on, a 4-year-old child was sexually assaulted in a school bus in Mumbai. The kindergarten student was the last child to be dropped home when she was molested by the bus conductor, who has now been arrested. Scenes of protest in New Delhi and Mumbai after the heinous gang rape of a 23-year-old in New Delhi. Protests that awoke a nation, forcing a rethink on laws and sexual assault. However, the crimes haven't stopped, with the alleged sexual molestation of a 4-year-old girl in a school bus reported in Mumbai.
बस में से जब लास्ट में उसको ड्रॉप कर रहे थे तो ड्राइवर ने उसके प्राइवेट पार्ट को टच किया, इतना ही केस है और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ। इस केस के अंदर जो 376 लगाया, रेप का सेक्शन लगाया, उसमें अटेम्प्ट कराया, वो एक गलत सेक्शन लगाया गया। हमारे अधिकारियों की उसमें गलती हुई है। इसमें एब्सोल्युटली देयर इज नो रेप केस, देयर इज नो अटेम्प्ट टू रेप।
The student was allegedly sexually assaulted while on her way home, and the bus conductor has now been arrested.
Female attendant, she was there, but she was, I think, taking other children down, and I think perhaps she was down at that time. When this girl was alone at that time, she was the only girl left out. Driver has been arrested. He is in our custody till 1st of February. तो नया एक अभी कानून आया है, इस कानून का नाम है प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ माइनर फ्रॉम सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस, सेक्सुअल एट्रोसिटीज। और 2012 का जो नया कानून आया उसके सेक्शन उसमें लगाए गए हैं 3, 5 and 7.
While the Mumbai police have arrested the accused, activists say more needs to be done to prevent such crimes.
Now, just one incident what has happened is very bad. Regarding for the association also, for the school also, and especially for the child also. And we are very much concerned about the thing.
It is yet another case of heinous crime which is being reported from the heart of the city, which has shook the faith of thousands of parents of the school-going kids. A toddler was molested on a school bus by a cleaner in presence of a female attendant. Though the police swiftly acted and arrested the molester, but it will take some time for the victim to overcome the trauma which she has suffered. The police has also made a blunder in this case by invoking sections of rape, section 376, but later on police clarified that they will tell the court that the sections were wrongly invoked.
Bureau Report, Times Now.